I'm a 24-year-old stay-at-home pregnant mom who is 30 weeks and ready to give birth, and you're gonna spend the day with us. Do y'all see her walking like an old lady? I sent it to her dad, and I was like, what the heck? Where did she learn this from? And he said she learned that from Sakura and Safari, which makes sense because they be doing little skits like that, and she's always watching them. But anyway, I had to film a video for this brand, and then after that, we were going to the park. So I let her play, have fun, get her energy out, which never works because she still doesn't go to sleep at night. She literally drives me crazy. Right before we left, we found these big old sticks, so we had like a little sword fight. Of course, we had to sanitize our hands and hydrate. Then I went to Aldi to get things that I needed to make for dinner. And then if you know, you know. Do y'all hear her snoring? But if you know, you know, I make dinner on live a lot of the times.
Okay? No. You're gonna get down. Bye. Okay, then stop.
And also, if you're in the lives, you know Ava acts a complete fool and be acting like a whole ass clown when she knows that I'm on live. I don't know why, but she be doing the most. But I made Zupa Toscana, gave her a bath, and that was my day.